Hello and welcome back to school. Hopefully you guys had an awesome long spring break. I know I did. I legitimately forgot what school was. Took me a while to get back into the rhythm. So I'm going to help you guys out today so you can get started with things and bring things back to your memory because we only have 6 weeks left of school. So I want to help you guys finish strong, finish well, and let's make it a good last 6 weeks. Now let's see, today is day 28, April 14th. Last time, what we learned previously was we talked about the handshake part 1 activity, and we shared how we solved that. It was a problem, a scenario, where we have a bunch of people in a room, and you need to make sure that you shake everybody's hand, and you need to find out how many handshakes there would be based on how many people are in that room. Today's assignment is going to be similar, but different. So it's going to be the handshake part 2 activity. It's pretty similar, but the equation for this one is going to be a lot more sophisticated, and I think it'll challenge you a little bit more, but it'll be fun to see how you solve it, because I think everybody's going to have a different way, a slightly different method for solving this problem. Okay, so today's random bellwork question. I want to know who or what is the best sidekick? Now that probably sounds weird, because when you think sidekick, you think, yeah, sidekick is a person. It's like Robin to Batman. Well, I think they're sidekicks to things as well. For example, I think French fries are the best sidekick to hamburgers. That's my opinion. That's what I think would be the best sidekick. Another example is Canada, in my opinion, is the sidekick to America. America's obviously in charge. And then Canada is just kind of like little America. So in my opinion, they're the sidekick to us. So tell me what you think. What or who is the best sidekick out there? Okay, make sure you go through and answer the rest of the bellwork questions. Hit submit when you're done. Let me know what your answer is to number 1, because I love hearing back from you guys. And then, and then make sure you open up the make sure you open up the slides. This is a typo. I'll have this fixed so it says day 28 for you guys. But make sure to open the slides, follow along with today's lesson, and then make sure to reach out to me if you have any questions so I can help out. And have an awesome, awesome Tuesday.